Okay, it's Sunday. I think it's 15th, 16th, can't remember. Anyways, what's going on with the red wide gauge? Well, despite many phone calls with the owners, they still haven't come up with a down payment. Their loan is good, but can't initiate the loan unless we get the down payment, and that's through CEDF. So while we're quite happy to work with CEDF, I can't go out and buy parts on spec, and I just can't. So Dad's done a little work in here today, done some welding. We have to fix some stuff and whatever else, but we're going to probably just put this on hold here. Quite likely, just going to, if we don't hear from these guys this week, I'm going to have to roll this out. There is a strong possibility that we not might be able to work on this for several months otherwise then. Because I got other guys contacting me through YouTube and Facebook and whatnot for work. And got to go with who's going to pay. So really want to help these guys, but it's the final week before we leave for Christmas, and I can't even order some of their parts without that cash. And we're doing okay, but I can't shell out $4 or $5 grand and stuff. So there's a lot of work to be done in here, guys. And just the bearings alone, I did a full order, and with the full order coming in from 4 or 5 different locations across North America. Taxes, shipping, customs, Trump tariff, yada yada yada. It's like $2,800 for Canadian for a full bearing replacement. And if these wheels are in this condition, I can guarantee you that they're gonna need some bearing replacements here. Now some of the guys, they go like, well, we'll just use the cheap Chinese bearings. Up to you. We use Timken, and our seals are SKF. So Dad's gone through this a number of times. He doesn't believe in putting in cheap Chinese junk, and if you're going to go with bearings, and so you don't have to worry about bearings, you might as well use the good stuff, because you're going to have the tracks off at that time. So lots of work in here, guys, but very likely, if we don't hear from these guys this week, I'm going to pull this machine out, and we're going to get back to work on our machine. And this one here, Dad's got all the bearings in the races, but they sent us the wrong seals. So when we get the new seals in, then Dad can finish off this one and get it done, get it out the shop. And there's my Filipino Emily, and she's happy. And there's baby dog Nina Pinta Santa Maria, and then there's our little dog here, Georgie Porgy. That's Donnie Lindell's dog. He just fits in at the shop just perfectly. Charles in charge is outside, and Dad is just visiting with his buddies Donnie and Randy right now. So kind of a lazy Sunday. Aiden's off today. He's coming back tomorrow. I don't know what these guys are going to get planned. Hopefully maybe we might be able to get the seals for the Muskeg Tractor. At the very least, I want to just get this moved up over here so I can move some other equipment around. But yeah, not too much going on here, guys. So it's a quick shop update for you.